VidTSX.
VidTSX is a video creation framework created by YouTuber Learn with Hassan that allows developers to generate and render MP4 videos programmatically using TSX code. It gained major traction in early 2026 as a tool for automated video generation. Instead of using traditional video editing software, users write TypeScript and React components to define frames, animations, and audio tracks. The core functionality relies on treating video elements identically to web components. A developer defines the video properties, and the engine compiles those web components into a continuous video file. Here is a basic implementation. Video defines a React component. The return statement outputs an HTML heading tag containing the text "Hello VidTSX." When processed by the framework, this renders as a visual frame displaying the text on screen. By combining VidTSX with large language models, developers can prompt an AI to write the code for entire 3D games or animated sequences, bypassing manual rendering completely. VidTSX converts coding skills directly into video production capabilities.
Ollama. Ollama is an open-source application that allows users to run large language models on their personal computers for free. It was co-founded by Jeffrey Morgan and Michael Chang, launching into widespread adoption throughout 2023 and 2024. Ollama abstracts away the complex technical configuration required to run AI locally. It packages model weights, configurations, and system prompts into a single model file, allowing a user to download and run a model with one terminal command. To run a model, Ollama run Llama 3. Ollama calls the installed program. Run is the specific command instructing the software to execute a model. Llama 3 specifies exactly which model to download and boot up. If the model is not already on the machine, Ollama automatically downloads it before starting the chat interface. Ollama shifted the AI dynamic by proving local execution could be as simple as cloud access.
Stable Diffusion.
Stable Diffusion is a free, offline image generation model created by Stability AI. Founded by Imad Mostaq, the company released the first version in August 2022, fundamentally changing the landscape of AI art by making the model weights publicly available. Unlike cloud-based generators, Stable Diffusion runs entirely on consumer hardware. It uses a latent diffusion process. It starts with an image of random visual noise and iteratively refines it into a coherent picture based on the text prompt provided by the user. By 2024, the release of Stable Diffusion 3 introduced massive improvements in text rendering and prompt adherence. Because the model is offline and open source, developers have built thousands of custom interfaces, fine-tuned models, and plugins around it. Users can generate unlimited images without privacy concerns or content restrictions. Stable Diffusion remains the foundational engine for local, uncensored AI image generation.
Arena AI. Arena AI, formerly known as Chatbot Arena, is an open-source research project and evaluation platform created by LM-SIS.org, a research organization founded by students and faculty from UC Berkeley, UCSD, and Carnegie Mellon University. The platform serves as a compilation of the world's top AI models, accessible for free. It operates on a crowdsourced benchmarking system based on the Bradley-Terry model. A user enters a prompt, and two anonymous models generate responses side by side. The user reads both and votes on which output is better. The platform then reveals the identities of the models and updates a global leaderboard. In March 2025, they launched Search Arena, gathering over 24,000 multi-turn interactions to evaluate search-augmented language models. Arena AI turned public model evaluation into the most trusted leaderboard in the artificial intelligence industry.
PyRunner.
PyRunner is a self-hosted platform designed to automate and schedule Python scripts.
Created by developer Hassan CS91, it functions as a lightweight orchestrator for users who need to run code consistently without paying for cloud platforms. The tool operates via a Docker container. Users upload their Python scripts to a sleek web dashboard where they can trigger runs manually, set daily schedules, and monitor execution logs. PyRunner automatically isolates each script in its own virtual environment, ensuring that different package requirements never conflict. To deploy PyRunner, Docker compose up-d. Docker tells the system to use Docker's multi-container orchestration tool. Up commands it to build and start the containers defined in the configuration file. -d stands for detached mode, meaning the server runs quietly in the background without locking up the terminal. For developers, PyRunner replaces complex cron jobs and expensive virtual server setups with a single, manageable web interface. PyRunner provides a free, private infrastructure for Python automation. Meta AI. Meta AI is a free image and video creation platform powered by the Llama model family. Meta's AI efforts are led by Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta Platforms. The chief scientist is Yann LeCun, one of the founding figures of modern deep learning. Meta took a fundamentally different approach. They went open source. Llama 2 launched in July 2023 as a fully public release, free for research and commercial use. Llama Free came in April 2024 with versions up to 405 billion parameters. In 2025, Llama 4 was released as a multimodal mixture of experts architecture. Meta integrates these models directly into WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. Users type a prompt in a chat window, and the system generates high-quality images and short video clips instantly at no cost. Meta leveraged its existing user base to make open-source generative AI universally accessible. DeepSeek. DeepSeek is built by a Chinese AI company of the same name, founded in 2023 by Liang Wenfeng. Liang is also the founder of High Flyer, one of China's most successful quantitative hedge funds. DeepSeek operates as a free, highly capable AI chatbot that removes the access barriers associated with expensive premium subscriptions. In January 2025, DeepSeek released R1, matching or outperforming OpenAI's O1 on multiple reasoning benchmarks, reportedly trained for under $6 million. The release caused a single-day drop in NVIDIA's stock price of nearly 17%, the largest single-day market cap loss in U.S. stock market history at that time. DeepSeek functions through a chat interface where users input complex reasoning tasks, math problems, or coding queries. The model processes the prompt and delivers highly accurate, optimized outputs instantly. DeepSeek proved that frontier-level intelligence does not require massive capital or costly user subscriptions. FreeBuff. FreeBuff is a free ad-supported AI coding agent that runs directly in the terminal. It was introduced as a zero-cost alternative to expensive subscription-based tools. FreeBuff utilizes a multi-agent architecture powered by models like DeepSeek V4 Pro and Kimi 2.6. When a user requests a code change, FreeBuff deploys separate subagents to scan the codebase, plan the necessary edits, write the code, and review the final output. To install and run FreeBuff, npm install-g FreeBuff cd your project FreeBuff. npm install-g uses the Node Package Manager to install the software globally on your machine. cd your project navigates into your specific code folder. FreeBuff launches the agent, allowing you to type natural language commands directly into your command line. Internal benchmarks from 2026 report FreeBuff achieving a 61% success rate on complex coding evaluations, outperforming premium competitors on standard repository tasks. FreeBuff delivers multi-model AI coding assistance without API keys or monthly fees.